Hi everybody, today I want to talk about continuity of the deal. Too many times I see investors put all their eggs in one basket, and what I mean by that is they get a deal under contract and it's a great deal, it's an exciting deal, the numbers are great, or it's a great area, or a great situation, just something's great, they get excited, and they forget to keep marketing for the next deal, or they stop marketing, or both. The problem is, too many times I'll see all this energy and effort go into one deal and then the unthinkable happens. It doesn't work out. Maybe it's a title issue, maybe the seller changes their mind, or if you're selling, maybe the buyer's changing their mind. Whatever the case may be, something happens that throws the thing astray and it delays it 30, 60, 90 days, or worse, it just falls apart altogether. This is a very discouraging thing. So how do you combat this? You want to be looking for your next deal when you get one under contract. Again, if you're doing real estate investing, when you get something under contract, that's when you start looking for the next one, because there is no guarantee that even through all of your best efforts, it will close. Things happen, and many times the thing that derails it are things beyond your control, unanticipated, and so forth. So whatever you do, in order to maintain momentum, never rest on your laurels, never get too excited about any one deal, as tempting as it may be. When you get the contract, buy or sell, immediately begin working on the next one if you haven't already, because you never know what tomorrow holds. So with that, keep that continuity going. Thanks.